The Presidential Security Group has found an ally in Ormoc City Mayor Richard Gomez. Gomez defended the move to inoculate members of the PSG with COVID-19 vaccines. In a post on the Facebook account of the city government, Gomez stressed it's important for the security of President Rodrigo Duterte. He recalled there were numerous complaints when COVID-19 first spread in the country, and it's happening again when the vaccine came. Gomez told the public to wait for their turn to have the vaccine. On December 26, Duterte announced members of the PSG were given Sinopharm vaccine. It received criticism because the vaccine is not yet authorized by the Food and Drug Administration.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.